Hello traders, you are highly welcome in my channel. It has been really a while no see. Yeah, but today I have something I want to share with you. That is why I am here. Yeah. So it has been a long time, but I'm just happy that I'm with you today. Yeah. If you like me, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is the only educative channel, I believe, and motivational channel you can ever have. Let me first collect my rubbish. Yeah, I took some sodas and it is time to collect the rubbish and actually dump them. I also have to put on my sandal or my slipper. I've woken up. It is now time to start being active. So I'm going to put this in this sack. This is our sack where we put our rubbish in, and then when it gets full they come and take them. I also need to take this cavera, this bag, and also put it there. In this channel, this is an educative channel, as I said before at the beginning, because here we learn trading and also we learn life in general. Yeah, we learn life in general. I think I'm one of the few people on YouTube that tries to reveal his life. Yeah, whether it's good or bad. Because most people like living in a bad state, they don't want to reveal their life. They will only come on camera when they are flashing money, flashing cars, and live in mansions and start flexing. But for me, no. If I'm living in a bad state, I will tell you and I will show you. And also, if I'm living in a good state, also you will see it. Yeah, I will also show it to you, and I will even be more flashy than ever, because if I can reveal my lifestyle here when I'm in a ghetto, why wouldn't I shine brighter? Yeah, so I will move with you steps by steps in my life upgrade. Okay, the day I will leave the ghetto to go to a better place, I will also film it. My progress in forex trading, I will also be filming it. All my errors, the upgrades, you'll be seeing them. But remember, I have been trading forex since 2022. Yeah, I've bought challenges, I've blown accounts. Actually, the challenges I bought were in funded next. But also in forex, even if you have experience, you can still blow accounts. Yeah, you can still blow accounts because forex is forex. Even the professional traders, they lose accounts. But for me, I was trading on small accounts like $10. But if I manage to have $200 and above, even $100, I cannot blow it because my risk management is very good and my psychology is also very good. But I don't have money to trade simply because I don't have a proper and a solid source of income yet. I have this stuff here that I'm going to pour off. We pour it there. This is our bathroom. And also need to get time and sweep that water. It's not good. It breeds mosquitoes. You can see it is stagnant. I need to sit down on this. So traders, actually what I realized in forex is that if you have a small account of $10, $20, $30, and even $50, it is so easy to blow because money management there is not good, and also the risk management there is also not easy and not good. If you have a bigger account from maybe $100 and above, there you can start to apply risk management, because every day you trade 1% of that account, and then you can say that you are going to use 0.01 lot. Yeah, and maybe in a day you can lose like $1 and you get like $2. Yeah, a single trade in a single day, and that one can only be possible if you have solid emotions. Yeah, if your emotion is solid and stable, you can trade once a day. Or if you don't have solid emotions, after a trade you can find a way of distracting yourself, yeah, from not looking at the chart. Because if you don't distract yourself, you will go back and look into the charts, and then you will see a trade that may look like an opportunity or a setup, and you enter, and then it can take you into a loss, leading to over trading. And then once you start to do such kind of things, you can easily blow your account. After one loss, distract yourself and wait for tomorrow. Our main topic of today is how can you make money when you are in a slum, just like me. When you're in a slum, when you're in a ghetto, as you can see me, I live in a ghetto and I'm really surviving. There are so many people out there, they don't live in a ghetto, they're going through a hell of life, they don't have money, they cannot even eat well. But you can find someone in the ghetto is really eating well. Yes, it's really eating well. For me, before I came in the ghetto, I was really struggling because I had no job. Just find something to do to just give you food and probably rent only. Also, I was teaching Somalis, English. That's why I have my second English channel. If you want to learn the language, you can go in my channel, which is Ato English Fluency. When you are teaching these guys, okay, they keep dropping. Those are the main challenges. Yeah, they keep dropping. Maybe in a month you can get like 10 students, but next month they will not be of the same numbers. They will drop in numbers, and when they drop in numbers, it means that less money that you will be able to get. And also some months they can drop and become like 2 or 3. That is crazily small money. Yeah, that may not even cover your rent. So what to do, you should keep looking for more, and it's very stressful and very difficult. You go door to doors and you look for them. Yeah, so you find that that source of income was not stable enough. But for today, as a border rider, my source of income is stable. I'm not worried about rent, I'm not worried about what I will eat, because I get daily income. But the problem is that my border is still on the loan. But when it's finished, and then I can own it and take full amount of money that I'm making. But for now, I'm not taking full. That's why I cannot even trade live now. I cannot trade live. If I finish my bike loan, I will start trading live. The good things of living in the slum. The houses are cheap. It's not that every house in the slum is of a bad condition. No. Some houses are really, really nice, and I've seen it many times. In the slum, houses are cheaper, and also you can save money to invest in your forex account. It can also give you a gap to save the money easily and quickly, to also invest in some other businesses. Now for me, as a border guy, I only paid this house 50,000 shillings. Yes, now if I were staying in other places, yeah, which is not in a slum with expensive houses or average amount, I would be saving nothing, because the rent alone would take my money, and I will not be able to save. How to hustle and make money in a slum? Save the money, invest in your forex, invest in other businesses, get a motorcycle, whether cash or on loan, and then you can ride the bike, or even you can give it to someone you trust, and the person will be able to ride through the bike. Or even you can start mobile money. Yeah, I have my neighbor here. They have mobile money businesses and also other businesses, but they're living in a slum. Yeah, so it doesn't mean that every person who lives in a slum is poor. No, living in a slum doesn't mean that you are poor. It just simply means that you have a calculated moves and you don't give a damn about expensive lives, living luxuriously. Okay, most people who live in a slum are so humble people, very humble, and they've come from a very humble background. Yeah, and they've lived humbly. Yeah, like for me, I really grew up in a village, and the house I was living in the village was in a grass thatched house. Yeah, and that's why I can easily live a slum life very easily and nicely without even complaining. Yeah, living here just gives me a room to plan myself, to save my money, and know what to do with it next. Coming in the slum was simply because of the other previous landlord that actually chased me out of the house instantly because I missed 2 days without paying rent. And I just thank God that that one was even a blessing. For me, I was fearful about it, but I realized that it has given me more rooms and chances to grow easily and scale myself. For me, I've been in forex trading since 2022. That's 3 years now in the market, but I am not yet rich. Yeah, why am I not yet rich? Simply because I don't have money that I'm comfortable losing in the market yet. So far, I have lost some money in the market. The money even which I was not comfortable losing, but I risked it and I put in the market and I've lost it. So many people think that Forex is very dangerous. Yeah, it is very dangerous when you have no skills. But for me, I'm already addicted to the chart. There are many occasions whereby I tried to quit Forex and I've deleted many YouTube channels. Many times could see my heart and my addiction dragging me and bringing me back into Forex. And that's why I am in Forex until now. Within 3 days, I find myself missing the chart, missing trading. And that is why I am still a Forex trader. But the only limitation is I don't have money that I'm willing to lose. But that time will come when I'll be having money. That will be the beginning of my breakthrough. Experience I have. In Forex, you have to be motivated by something. As a Forex trader living in a slum, what am I doing? I'm about a guy who earns a daily income. Yeah, that is my hustle. Many people who are living in a slum here, they have jobs, they have investments, but they just want to save money on cheap rents. My friends normally tell me, you shift from here, you leave this place. But I tell them I will leave in the right time. And indeed, I will leave in the right time. Nowadays, it rains a lot and it really wants to rain right now. It is drizzling, I can see. Some years back, I just used to save beans and posh in the house so that I can have something to keep me moving on in terms of food. But now I can eat what I want and anytime. I can work anytime I want. Like today, I'm off. Imagine if I were employed by somebody, I would be working now. I am the boss of my own. It's good to be self-employed because the world is changing. Being self-employed doesn't mean that we never went to school. We really went to school. For me, I went to a university and I'm quite educated. But going to university doesn't guarantee you financial success. Instead, you will be used. People will take advantage of you and not even pay you a proper salary that can sustain your life well. So be self-employed, hustle, and just live your life. Learn Forex, trade Forex, be profitable in Forex. make YouTube content, start a YouTube channels, and just let God do its magic. So I hustle and I make my money as someone living in the slum. So I urge you there, go out and hustle. Don't only rely on Forex as a source of income, because Forex is very tough, very stubborn, and very disturbing. You should be having something that you are doing apart from Forex trading. Okay, you can lock into something, but don't steal. Okay, don't go and steal from people. You can lock in something else that is a cash flow into your Forex account, because one day, even if you lose your Forex account, you can still refund it and trade. That is it, traders. I'll see you in the next. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share in case you have liked the content. I will see you soon. May God bless you and have a good day.